this, and that was awesome. Ethan getting exactly what he deserves. Now Chelsea getting what she deserves. But this matchup continuing right now. Thea's got to stay focused. Hale getting back into the ring. Alba Fire, though, has a chance to get back in. Big super kick under the jaw. Buckle.
Get in there, ref. Get in there.
Cover and another near fall.
Ref needs to take control of this situation, man. This thing is breaking down out here.
Counter.
Whoa.
Counter. Thea picks up momentum.
Here is your winner,